Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning, Jake. Did you have a good sleep last night?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well and had a nice dream.
That's great. Now let's go brush your teeth and wash your face.
Okay, I will go to the bathroom now.
Don't forget to use toothpaste and rinse your mouth properly.
I won't forget. I brush every day.
Breakfast is ready. Please come sit at the table.
What did you make for breakfast today?
I made pancakes with honey and some sliced bananas.
That sounds yummy. I love pancakes.
Eat slowly and chew your food well.
Yes, I will eat carefully.
After breakfast, you need to change into your day clothes.
I want to wear my red t-shirt and blue shorts today.
That's a good choice. Go ahead and get dressed.
I can do it by myself. I'm getting better at dressing.
I'm proud of you. You are learning every day. Now it's time for your learning activities.
Can we read a storybook before writing practice?
Yes, we can read a short story first.
I want to read the book about the talking elephant.
Sure. Let's sit on the couch and start reading.
I'll bring the book and sit beside you.
This story is about Ellie the elephant who learns to be kind.
I remember this one. She helps her friends in the forest.
That's right. Helping others is a very good thing.
I want to be like Ellie and help my friends too.
That's a wonderful idea, Jake. You've worked hard. Now you can go and play for a while.
I want to build a tall tower with my blocks.
That's a fun game. Try not to knock it down too fast.
I'll try to make it as tall as I can.
If you need help, just ask me. It's snack time. Would you like some fruit or crackers?
I would like an apple and a glass of milk, please.
Good choice. Apples are healthy and tasty.
I like the red apples the best.
I washed one for you. Here it is. Let's go outside for some fresh air.
Can I ride my scooter in the yard?
Yes, but don't forget to wear your helmet.
I'll go get it now and put it on.
We can also take Max for a short walk.
Max loves going for walks with us.
Let's take off your shoes and wash your hands.
Okay, I'll wash them with soap and water.
Make sure you scrub between your fingers too.
I'm finished. My hands are clean now.
Did you enjoy your day so far?
Yes, it was a good day. I played and learned a lot.
I'm happy to hear that. What was your favorite part?
I liked building the tower and reading the elephant story.
We can read another story before bedtime. It's time to eat dinner now. Please sit at the table.
What are we having for dinner tonight?
We're having rice, vegetables, and some grilled chicken.
That's my favorite meal. I'm hungry.
Let's eat together as a family. It's bedtime now, Jake. Let's get cozy under the blanket.
Can we read a story before I sleep?
Yes, we can read one short story. Then it's time to rest.
I want a story about the rocket ship.
All right, that one is your favorite. Let's begin. Once there was a rocket that flew high into the sky.
Did it go to the moon?
Yes, it went past the stars and landed gently on the moon.
I want to ride a rocket one day.
Maybe you will, but tonight, you can dream about it. The rocket found shiny stars and met a friendly moon.
That's funny. A friendly moon.
Now the rocket is coming back home to rest, just like you.
I think I'm ready to rest too.
Now close your eyes and take a deep breath.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Jake. I love you so much.
I love you too. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.